The advantage of aluminum railing is no maintenance. Once you install it, it will not splinter, it will not crack, it doesn't need to be repainted. You install it once and you can enjoy it for many years to come. The other main advantage, and why it remains #1 railing right now, is its price. It is fairly inexpensive to buy and it's easy and fast to install. If you're doing it yourself, it might take a bit of time, but if you're getting it done professionally, you can get a railing installed on a typical deck in less than a day. The disadvantage of aluminum railing is that if you don't know which brand you're picking, is that it could actually discolor over time. The other disadvantage is that the pickets of the aluminum railings are at least 3/4 of an inch thick, so they do block the view for some owners, which is something they do not like. Additionally, some clients are looking for a horizontal, sleek, modern look, and they don't want their railing to look like a subdivision porch type of railing, so for that reason they do not like the aluminum railing. So those would be the disadvantages.